Welcome to the Searching in SAP SuccessFactors video. After watching this video, you will be able to search for an entity, use filters to specify a search, save a search criteria, retrieve a saved search criteria, and delete a saved search criteria. Searching for any entity is the same throughout the administrator user interface. To search for an item, click the arrow to the left of the Learning Activities menu and then click Items. The workspace will contain the Item Search screen to the right. Before continuing, you may wish to hide the left menu from view. Click the Enter Full Screen icon in the upper right next to the Help icon. Notice the Add Remove Criteria icon. If the criteria you want to search by is not displayed on the screen, click the icon to see if it is one of the search criteria. Select the checkbox to the right of the criteria and click the Select button at the bottom right of the pop-up window to add the search criteria to the search screen. Each search criteria has an operator menu. Let's look at an example of this in action. In this example, we will search for a course called Time Management for Leaders. To do this, first locate the item title field. In the operator menu, select Contains. In the search field, enter Time Management for Leaders. This means the system will search for items that contain the phrase Time Management for Leaders in the title. This search can be filtered further. If we want to filter only instructor-led items, we can do this by using the Filter button. First, locate the Delivery Method field. Click the blue Filter button beside this field. A pop-up window will appear showing all available delivery methods. For this example, we will select ILT for Instructor-Led and then click Add to Filter. After clicking Add to Filter, scroll to the top of the pop-up window and click Submit Filter. You are then returned to the item search screen. Notice the delivery method criteria has the filter applied. Click the Search button. The system now searches for your item. You can also save a search for later use. Once the search criteria is configured, click the Save As button at the top of the search screen. Enter an ID and a description and click Submit. You have now saved your search criteria. To retrieve a saved search, click the Saved Searches arrow at the top of the search screen. A small window will appear showing you all of your saved searches. Select a saved search to perform that search, or click the Delete icon to remove it from your list of saved searches. Congratulations! You now know how to perform a search, use filters, save a search, retrieve a search, and delete a saved search.